Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Places to visit in the western part of the Philippines after COVID-19 quarantine. Number 1. Underground River in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Puerto Princesa is a coastal city on Palawan Island and in the western Philippines. It's a base for boat trips through the massive limestone caves and underground river of the biodiverse Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Number 2. Tabataha Reef, Cagayansilo. The Tabataha Natural Park, also known as Tabataha Reefs Natural Park, is a protected area of the Philippines located in the middle of the Sulu Sea. The marine and bird sanctuary consists of 2 huge atolls and the smaller Jessie Beasley Reef, covering a total area of 97,030 hectares. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.